Hey loves, in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this super cute set with red and white French tips with matching heart nail decals. I am using the Memeda Gel Polish in shade Nude 3 as the base for this set. I applied 3 coats, curing each for 30 seconds. For the design on my index and pinky nails, I am applying a thin layer of the Model 1's base coat. Now I am applying my white and red hearts in an alternating pattern. Once I perfect the placement of my decals, I will then cure this nail for 30 seconds. To seal in my design, I am applying the Aimeili No Wipe top coat and curing for an additional 30 seconds. For my first French tip design, I'm starting out by forming my smile line with the Aimeili Gel Polish in shade 64 with my L-BOST liner brush. I am bringing that polish from the smile line down to the tip of my nail. I applied 2 coats of this polish, curing each for 30 seconds. It's now time to apply my crystals. I am using the Gadget's Entrepot Rhinestone Glue Gel, and I am going over it with the Aimeili No Wipe top coat. These are the Crystal AB stones from Goldfinger Nail Art, and I'm applying them around the smile line of the nail, and I'm also placing 2 at the cuticle. I will then cure this nail for 60 seconds. For my next nail, I am repeating that same French tip design using the Beetles Gel Polish in shade 678. The formula of this polish is rather streaky. I ended up applying 3 coats, curing each for 30 seconds. Again, I am placing down my crystals. This is great, especially if your hands are shaky and you're not the best at drawing lines. When it comes to your French tip design, you can always just add crystals to it. After I'm done placing my stones, I will cure this nail for 1 minute. This set is so cute. I love how easy it was to complete, seeing as how it's only 2 designs. And I also like how I alternated the red and white colors and incorporated them into the set. I will list all of the products that I used down below in the description. Leave me a comment telling me what you think of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!